Okay, welcome back to Mod 140. Mod 140, Week 4, our SurveyMonkey questions. We're going to do 6 through 10. So here we go. Number 6. Number 6 asks you to define social media and how it differs from traditional media. So in other words, what is social media and how does it differ from traditional media? Okay, so we can find the answer to that on page 552. So we'll go on over there, mosey on over. 552. Social media, and that's a plural by the way, social media are online media where users submit comments, photos, and videos. So it is a type of media where it can be interactive, but that's what it is, where media where users,
just regular people,
can submit comments, photos, and videos. Okay, that's social media. All right, moving on. Number 7. Number 7 are various forms of online media content that are publicly available and created by end users is called what? So it's a form of social media that content is publicly available and created by the users. What is that called? So we'll go to page, again, 552, same page as the last one. Just go a little bit further down on the page. And it says user-generated content. Or UGC. Refers to various forms of online media content that are publicly available and created by end users. So that's the answer to that one. Okay? That was number 7. Moving on. Number 8. Number 8 asks, upon finding a company's competitive advantage over their competitors, they must figure out how to exploit it by creating a customer journey that involves 2 phases. What are they? And that's on page 634. So let's go on over to page 634. Quite a skip because they're going over to page, I believe this is chapter 22. Yes. This is our last chapter. So 634, it says, upon finding, here it is, about the middle of the page. Upon finding, where'd it go? And competitor doing what they would like to do and measure, having identified the competitive advantage. They must figure out how to exploit it, often by creating a compelling customer journey, which involves, number 1, finding and using what works for that organization and industry. So number 1, finding and using what works for that organization. Number 2, is allocating resources effectively. So, what does allocating resources effectively mean? Allocating means to divide up resources, money, and doing it effectively. So when you get your check after your payday, you allocate your money, that's the resources, into where it needs to go. Pay the rent, right? You pay your priorities first, and then whatever's left, you get to do whatever with that with. But you always divide it up effectively by using it smartly and also paying what takes priority first. That's an example. Okay, so that was number 8. Let's do number 9.
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay. Porter identifies 4 generic business strategies. Business strategies. Okay, and it wants to know, what are they? Okay, so this can be found on page 640. So we'll go ahead over there. Page 640. Okay. There are 4 strategies as follows. Number 1, cost leadership strategy. Number 2 is differentiation strategy. That means differentiation means requires a different point of product. Your brand is set apart. It has something different. Higher strategy involves the firm's choice price premium. General manager uses strategy nutrients. So in other words, have something that's different than other products in its category. Differentiation strategy. Number 3 is cost-focused strategy. And then number 4 is differentiation-focused strategy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That was number 9. Okay, so let's move on to the last one, number 10. Number 10 asks, what is a time-based agenda? 10. What is a time-based agenda? And for this, we're going to go to page 648. Okay? 648, time-based agenda right there at the bottom. This is a time-based agenda is a meeting agenda that shows the running time allocated for each agenda item. So it's a meeting agenda that shows the time allocated for each agenda item. Okay, that's it for number 10. Before we go, I want to mention that I created a sample PowerPoint for your marketing plan. And this includes everything from all 3 previous weeks and put it into a PowerPoint. So it's on the website, Carol's Class, so go ahead and take a look at that. That's an example of what I'm looking for with your PowerPoint. You can get fancier. Mine's pretty simple, but you can get fancier or not. But yeah, that's what it is. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.